Welcome to today's video where we will discuss some of the best business ideas for workaholics. Workaholics are people who love working long hours, and sometimes they may not find satisfaction with their regular 9-to-5 jobs. Starting a business could be a great way for workaholics to channel. Business idea number 1, freelance services. One of the best business ideas for workaholics is offering freelance services. Freelancing can offer flexibility, allowing workaholics to work on their own terms and the ability to choose the type of work they want to do. Freelance services can include writing, graphic design, marketing, or consulting services. Workaholics can leverage their experience and skills to start offering their services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The benefits of freelancing are plenty. Workaholics can choose to work on projects that interest them, and if they enjoy the work, they will be more likely to put in extra hours. Freelancers can also choose when they work, and this allows them to prioritize their time and balance work with other commitments. Business idea number 2, online retail. Online retail is another great business idea for workaholics. With the rise of e-commerce, it has become easier than ever to start an online retail business. Workaholics can start selling products related to their interests or expertise. This could include products like handmade crafts, clothing, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. The benefits of online retail are many. Workaholics can work from anywhere, and they don't need to worry about maintaining a physical store. With an online retail business, workaholics can also potentially earn passive income by automating many of the processes involved. Setting up an online store can be done easily with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Business idea number 3, coaching or consulting. Coaching or consulting is another business idea that workaholics can consider. Workaholics can leverage their knowledge and experience to offer coaching or consulting services to others who are looking to learn or improve in a specific area. This could include areas like business strategy, marketing, career development, or personal development. The benefits of coaching or consulting are numerous. Workaholics can work one-on-one with clients, which can be very rewarding. They can also set their own rates and work schedule, giving them more control over their time. To get started with coaching or consulting, workaholics can start by building a personal brand, networking, and finding clients through social media or online platforms. Business idea number 4, real estate investing. Real estate investing can be an excellent business idea for workaholics who are looking for a long-term investment. Workaholics can invest in real estate by purchasing rental properties or by investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can provide passive income, and the value of the property can appreciate over time, providing an excellent long-term investment. The benefits of real estate investing are numerous. Workaholics can earn passive income from rental properties, which can help supplement their regular income. Real estate is also a tangible asset that can appreciate over time, providing a solid long-term investment. Workaholics can start investing in real estate by researching local markets, finding a mentor, and seeking advice from a financial advisor. Starting a business can be a great way for workaholics to channel their energy and earn a good income. In this video, we explored 4 different business ideas that workaholics could consider: freelance services, online retail, coaching or consulting, and real estate investing. Each business idea has its benefits, and workaholics can choose the one that aligns with their interests and strengths. We hope this video has been informative and has given you some ideas on where to start. Remember, it's never too late to start a business, and with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Thanks for watching.